Hey buddy, Ryan here from Android Coliseum. I'm going to showcase the UAG glass screen protector for my Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro. They're the same size and everything, so works for both. This is right now, what is it, $48 Canadian. Um, so cool, but a little expensive, but I mean, it's going to be glass on top of it, so to really protect it. And like I said, without a case, I find it to be really slippery. So you're going to want to have something that protects it, okay? So these are always fun to do. I get very anal about how to do these properly. So let's get to it and let's do the install and see how easy it is to do. Okay. Pull it out. Let's see what we get in the case. Oh, I hate ripping and breaking things. Okay, so step one, clean your phone a lot. Put the little organizer guide, take the back off, put it down, and then set it in place. And use a little microfiber cloth to move to the outside. Okay, I haven't done one of these in a while, but I'm pretty sure that pretty straightforward. So here we got the, I think so that says top. This is the guide, so this will sit over top of that. But you can get a lot of dust on my screen, so I got to clean that up. Okay, so to clean that up, we got some cleaning stuff here, and with the actual screen protector here. Let's put that there. Let's put that. I have some old whoosh still. I like to use whoosh. But that's kind of dried out. So, okay. Go ahead and just wipe that down. Yeah, I should turn this off. No, power off. Okay, this is where it gets really typey because you really want to get every speck of dust away from this thing, because even if a little bit's under there, you'll see it almost magnified under the glass. Now usually there is some dust removal in here. Alright, so microfiber, just try to extract more out of there. A little alcohol wipe, just to clean it all up. Whew, does smell like alcohol. Reminds me of my days at the lab. Okay, let's get that a nice little clean. Okay, so top goes on top. That goes here. Oh, I see some dust. You know, in other models and stuff, they always come up with. Oh, here we go. Yeah, a little bit of sticker. So just moving it around. Get a sticker to. Oh, that's not what I wanted. There. At a certain point, you're going to drive yourself insane trying to get every single last speck out. Use the light to see any other ones out there. Okay, so let's do this part. Let's go through. There is a code you can scan to watch the video. I'm not one of those kind of guys. Okay, so we just kind of pull that, remove, thin mask attached to this film. Okay, well, it's not coming off. Let's get a little start there. Come on. Usually pull on that and it pulls it apart. Come on. There we go. Almost. Now be very careful what you touch. Just gonna slide it into there. I like to have this guide. Probably cost them a couple cents to print. And you can see the little adhesive run its way around. There's a couple spots we'll just need to massage. And there we go. We got some screen protector on it. So it's not going to go right to the edges, right? Especially this guy's without the rounded edges. It's fine. And if you put it in a case, you'll be that much better. But not too bad. I don't really see any bubbles. I see that little discoloration spot there. There's like a little trapped air bubble or something under it. It'll hopefully work its way out eventually. Yeah, it's getting less. More pressure I put on it there. Okay, let's power it on. And they say you should check your fingerprint sensor, so whether or not you need to redo that. Come on, 1, 3. I'll pause it for there. Okay, so back online here and go to boot it up. Let's do fingerprint sensor, and it is not reading my fingerprint. So I'll have to reset that up, but that's a couple steps, should be done. Did notice that if I do my other fingerprint, oh, was doing it, does work, but I'm going to redo it and just make sure it works. Okay, now that took a lot longer than I wanted it to. It seemed to be pretty finicky going through it, not like last time I remember. I also noticed that now whenever I swipe up from the bottom, I can feel that. So need a case to cover the edges on it. So yeah, work not as fast. Right? Definitely not as fast. Not as fast. Not as fast. I mean, it's about as good as the old infrared sensor ones that they used to have, the optical ones, versus this new sonic one. Sonic one without this glass was instantaneous. This, it's not as fast. I mean, it's okay. It's not terrible. And I just know that I'm going to protect it because I actually started getting I got a tiny little nick right in the edge there. So I'm glad I have something now to protect it. Okay, so that's the UAG glass screen protector. Thanks, everybody.